I heard about Bahia de Los Angeles maybe 30 years ago that it was a nice place to go visit. So it was always in my mind to one day take it out of my bucket list. So this time I took the opportunity to go. The Sea of Cortez by Bahia de Los Angeles, it's big. It's a real beautiful place. I did not think that I was gonna be swimming with the sea lions. So when we went there and I saw him like swimming around the boat, I was impressed. I'm like, dude, are we gonna do this? This is crazy. But Charlie went first, so I said, well, if he did it, I might as well do it, because if I'm here, there's nothing to it but to do it. So I did it, so I was impressed. They come like they're like a torpedo, like it's coming at you, but then when they close to you, then they turn and they go the other way. But once you start swimming around them and you see that they're harmless, so it's like you get comfortable and it's like, yeah, this is a lovely experience, like once of a lifetime. Guerrero Negro is a nice town. It's like any town here on the Pacific side on California. The weather is the same. The town is typical Mexican town, but not so big, not as big as other towns like Ensenada or Tijuana. The lagoon is not really a lagoon. It's like an ocean. It's big. And because you can get in the boat and go for miles and miles and don't reach the other side of the lagoon, or you can drive across for like hours. Well, I've been hearing about touching whales for a long time, probably 20 years, but I never thought like I would get to go and do that. And the opportunity came this time, and I said, oh yeah, that's something I would like to do. It was like touching other fish. The skin is soft, the flesh is soft too, because you can touch it and it's like feeling your leg. It was wonderful! Oh, it's Captain!
Behind you!
Oh man, we just touched the whale. It was great. It was a great feeling. I will do it again. I want to come back next year. So, waited over 20 years. Finally, on this trip, I got to touch the whales and get to play with the whales. It's an amazing experience.